Hello everyone, welcome back to TechnoWaves. Today we are taking a closer look at the Zebronics HDMI to VGA Converter, a compact but powerful tool for connecting modern devices to older displays. If you have ever wanted to connect your laptop, PC or even a streaming device to an older monitor or a projector with only a VGA port, so this little device is going to be very helpful and your best friend. So let's unbox this. Here is our product. Here is our products from Zebronics HDMI to VGA Converter. Its model number is ZEBHAV01. So this converter comes with a standard HDMI male converter on the end and with VGA female port on the other end, so making it easy to plug and directly into your device and connect it older display units. So the best part is completely plug and play, no software, no drivers, just plug it in and you're going to go. So let's test this. So I'm going to use this VGA cable. First we have to connect this VGA cable to a VGA female port. Let's connect this. Yeah. After that, and this HDMI connector to my laptop's HDMI port. See, it's connected. Now this here another end of VGA cable. Connect your PC, older PCs or TV and all your devices. So this is how going to work. So guys, we have tested as you have seen, and it supports resolution up to full HD up to 1080 pixels. So you don't have to compromise on your quality even with the older hardware also. So some versions also come with 3.5mm audio jack, so you can route audio separately if your display doesn't support it. Handy for projectors. So it is simple setup, compact and portable, full HD support and budget friendly guys. But it has one thing, it has only one way, because it is only HDMI to VGA connector, not for VGA to HDMI, and it doesn't transmit audio through VGA. Yeah, it's very worth it product. So this is Zebronics HDMI to VGA converter, very worth it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to TechnoWaves and tap that bell icon so you never miss an update. Got questions or want a specific product review? Drop in the comments below. Thanks for watching.